Hi, today I'm for the new Redmi Note 12 Pro Plus and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on this device. So first open your device home screen, hold one application and drag this app to another one, and by this way we just successfully created the new home screen folder. Just to rename the folder, click once on the name and enter the new one. For example, the apps, tap to OK to home button, and now we can see that we just renamed it successfully. To move this folder here on the screen or between the screens, we should just hold it and drag it. To remove the application from the folder, you should hold it and drag it here to the home screen if you want to stay with this application on the home screen. But if you want to remove it from the folder and from the home screen, hold it and tap to remove icon. But don't worry, you will stay with this application in the apps menu. If you want to resize the folder, just hold it for a while, click to edit folder, and now you can switch it from the regular to the enlarged. Tap to OK. Now we just add and change it to the bigger one. We can also change it from the enlarged to the regular. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.